All right. Let me talk to my Sudanese. So one of the mission that we do, we also advocated for the peace of Africa. Personally, I've had a conversation with so many Sudanese. If you go on our YouTube, you'll be able to see the conversation, because we are actually praying for you guys, and we wish the best for Sudanese people. Because where I'm from Tanzania, as I said, and we have a lot of Sudanese as well. They came to Tanzania because of the conflict that is going on. So we're actually praying for you guys, and we wish all the best for Sudan. We think what is going on in Sudan is not fair for Sudanese people. So we hope and pray that the war will stop as soon as possible, so that, you know, the normal life can continue. That's the best that we're doing. We're trying to reach out to African Union as well, to talk to them. I just want to encourage you guys. I know what you're going through. I cannot fully understand, but we are trying our best. The best we can do is just to pray. You know what I'm saying? That's the best that I can do. So I'm really sorry about everything that is going on, and we're standing with you guys. That's what I wanted to say. Yeah. So can I give you a hug? That's okay. All right. That's okay. All right. That's okay. That's okay. And my brother from Chad here. Hey man, it's nice to meet you, man. And my brother from Sudan here, standing with you guys. Thank you so much. Yeah. That we're actually praying for you guys. We're praying for your country as well, so that everything can come to normal. You know what I'm saying? Thank you for everything. I appreciate it. I wish you guys all the best. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. And my brother, I wish you all the best, man. I wish you all the best, man. I'm praying for you guys, and we're standing with you. Yeah. Hopefully everything will be fine. Yeah. That's what we hope. Yeah. So yes, guys, I think that was a little research, talking to my fellow Africans here. I met with a lot of people from Sudan and Congo as well. And I think you guys have seen. I wish I could go to other places to meet with other people, but I can't because of the rain. But I met with my brothers and sisters from Sudan, and you know, let's continue to pray for Sudan. That's the best we can do. Praying for the peace of that country. Because if you go to Tanzania, you'll see them. To Uganda, you'll see them. I think to Kenya, you'll see them as well. To Ethiopia, you'll see them. The best we can do is to pray that, so that everything can come back to normal and they can continue with their daily life. I can't imagine living away from my own country to go to another country just for surviving, and I can't imagine that. So yeah, peace for Africa. That's what I wish, and I hope and I pray that peace shall remain forever. One Africa in our generation. Thank you. We're out of here.